Typhoon Yagi, a name whispered on the wind, soon to be roared by the heavens. This wasn't just a storm, it was a tempest, a furious lashing of nature's might. Rain fell in sheets, an unrelenting torrent. Rivers, once languid and serene, transformed into raging monsters, devouring their banks. Elephant Nature Park, nestled in the heart of the Thai landscape, braced itself. The park, a sanctuary for rescued elephants, was about to face its biggest challenge yet. The ground, already saturated, couldn't absorb the deluge. The water level rose, inch by agonizing inch. Soon, it wasn't inches anymore, but feet. Pathways disappeared beneath the murky tide. The familiar scents of the forest were replaced by the pungent smell of damp earth and fear. The elephants, sensing the danger, trumpeted their alarm, their calls echoing through the flooded landscape. Panic is set up. Not for the elephants, these gentle giants were accustomed to hardship, but for their human protectors. The staff of Elephant Nature Park, a dedicated group led by the indomitable Lek Shailer, knew time was running out. Evacuation was the only option, a monumental task never before attempted on this scale. Over 100 elephants needed to be moved, and quickly. The park, usually a symphony of nature's sounds, was now an orchestra of chaos. Mahouts, their voices hoarse from shouting, urged the elephants toward higher ground. Boats, hastily procured, were loaded with the youngest and most vulnerable. The older elephants, their immense size a liability, were coaxed to walk, their legs churning through the rising water.
Every minute felt like an eternity. The floodwaters were relentless, their advance an unstoppable force. The air crackled with tension, exhaustion gnawed at the rescuers, but they dared not rest. Lives were at stake. The elephants, their usual gracefulness hampered by the rising tide, struggled to keep up. Then a new fear gripped their hearts. 9 elephants were stranded, trapped on a small island, swallowed by the flood. The mahouts, their faces etched with worry, knew they couldn't reach them, not yet. The call for help went out, a desperate plea for boats, for manpower, for anything that could help turn the tide.
The response was immediate and overwhelming. People from all walks of life, their hearts touched by the plight of the stranded elephants, answered the call. Volunteers, their faces a mix of determination and fear, poured in. Donations, large and small, flooded the park's account. Hope, it seemed, had arrived with the storm. Boats, their engines straining against the current, ferried food and supplies to the stranded elephants. Mahouts, their bond with their charges unbreakable, swam through the treacherous water to reassure them. The elephants, sensing the unwavering dedication of their human companions, remained calm, their trust a beacon in the raging storm. As if the flood wasn't enough, another crisis unfolded. F.A. Sai, one of the park's beloved residents, was missing. Lost in the chaos of the evacuation, she had vanished. Fear for her safety gnawed at the hearts of everyone. F.A. Sai, with her mischievous spirit and gentle soul, had stolen their hearts. The search began. Through the relentless rain and swirling debris, they searched. Calls went out. Posters were plastered on any dry surface. Hope, though battered, refused to be extinguished. They had saved so many, they wouldn't give up on FSI. The floodwaters receded, leaving behind a trail of destruction and a testament to the enduring power of compassion. The park, battered but not broken, began the long process of rebuilding. The elephants, their spirits unbroken, returned to their routines, the trauma of the flood slowly fading. The story of Elephant Nature Park's flood is not just a tale of survival. It is a testament to the unbreakable bond between humans and animals. It is a reminder that even in the face of unimaginable adversity, hope, compassion, and the indomitable spirit of those who dedicate their lives to protecting the vulnerable can prevail. And as for F.A. Sai, the search continues for as long as it takes.